Key Kids Cough and Cold Liquid is fast-acting formula for acute symptoms, free from colour, sugar, alcohol, gluten and lactose, and can be taken in children from as young as 4 years of age. However, it is suited for the whole family. A soothing formula with a tasty all-natural berry flavouring. The formula combines 4 natural ingredients to relieve chesty coughs and the symptoms of the common cold, and is traditionally shown to relieve the sore throat and mild fever. The ingredients in this formula are ivy leaf, which has scientifically been shown to clear chest congestion and has proven effects as a natural expectorant. Echinacea, which helps to shorten the duration of the common cold and stimulates the immune system to fight infection. Liquorice has been added to help and soothe a sore throat, break up phlegm and clear the chest. Plus Japanese honeysuckle, which is known as a natural anti-inflammatory that it reduces fever and relieves a sore throat. This formula reduces the number of coughs and cold that a child gets throughout the year. Children of 4 to 9 years, we're recommending 2.5 mils at least 2 to 3 times per day. 10 to 14 years, 5 mils 2 to 3 times per day. 15 years and older, we're recommending 10 mils 2 to 3 times per day. For more information on this range, please visit martinandpleasance.com. Thank you.